Hey guys, so we're out here on the farm, and as you can see behind me, spring has definitely sprung. So there's something neat we do every spring. Some of you guys may do it, but if you got pampas grass this time of the year, it's all dead and brown, light it on fire. Hey, what have you got there? Are those apples?
Apple.
Apples? What is on your face, boy? Come on, hand me the apples. Get them. Look like little lemons, don't they? Hey, come on. We're gonna go work.
Go.
Seriously, let go of my chest, sir. Ugh. Holy cow, buddy. You trying to take chunks out? Your daddy a smooth chest. Hey, you got the matches? And you just want to light the stuff on fire. This is our barn lot up here, and dividing our barn lot from my folks' house here, we got some big pampas grass bushes that we're gonna burn down.
I think we're gonna burn this. No.
Maggie, come on. So what are you gonna do?
Gonna burn the pampas grass.
Yeah, horses aren't gonna be happy.
No, they're ready for food.
You would not think this, but this pampas grass junk, horses actually love eating this thing. Our horses have plenty of hay. They eat show horse, all that good stuff, but yet they still eat that junk. So what can you do? Hey Dusty, you gonna burn one?
No.
Why not?
I just want to know it, take a picture.
I need to know
Huh?
what baby
I just want to know it, take a picture of me.
Oh.
There's the baby butterfly.
Start it down low. Or start it however you want, I don't care. It's gonna burn like crazy anyhow.
Why are we stuck? The wind's blowing.
Is this your good side? Want to make sure you can get your good side, you know.
Best side there is.
Well, what about the other side? Is it not so good?
No.
All right. Now, if none of you guys have ever lit these on fire and you have them and you chop them down or something, always get back. 'Cause, I mean, they get hot. Ah, golly. Light them on fire. Why don't you get those on fire? I can't take the heat. Holy cow. I'm afraid I'm going to melt my daggum phone or something. Woo! I guarantee he's not near the fire. Yeah. Like I said, they get really hot. I wasn't lying. There's our horses up on the hill. Yeah. We're burning their snacks down.
There it goes. Oh, holy cow. Holy moly.
Just like that, it's gone. I mean, it burns quick, burns down, comes back greener every year and bigger, and I don't know if they can ever get much bigger than they have, but they're huge anymore. It's a hot fire. All right, getting them chopped up.
Getting them chopped up for you, Dad.
Some old apples from our neighbor. He
She's
had,
not really anything.
couldn't eat no more, I guess. I don't know, but
She's like this. Cry!
our horses will like them.
It's not like those movies, you know, where they cut them in half super fast.
Anybody that wants to bring us old produce for horses, we're always
Hey,
happy
Daddy.
to take it.
Can,
What?
can you, like, do this? Like, pause after I touch it until she cuts it up, and I'll go, psh.
Yeah, I guess we could try. You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll get
All right,
one.
one sec. We'll try this, and then you guys will see the results of it just direct, no editing. Okay, Noah, ready?
Yeah.
And chop it. Oh, Noah, you're so cool.
Good job, Noah.
You're like a ninja. Yeah. Okay. So this is the barn lot. It's the feed for Coco. She's our old mare we're nursing back to health. So she gets pulled out and eats separate. That way she doesn't have to be rushed and she can take her time to digest it, and just helps her be a lot healthier. And then we'll go out there and we'll feed those, and then we'll give them all some apples in their pan. She knows what this is all about. We open that gate, you can see she just needs to gain some weight, and we give her a little extra stuff in her food. Well, help your sister there, Goofy. Don't just stand there. Grab one string each there and bring it to me. Hey, what are you crying about? Mommy's over there. You poor thing. Come here. Come here. Daddy helps. Come here. Here, let's watch Bubby and Sissy. Daddy can carry this with one hand, I think.
One hand.
One hand on the bell, one hand holding the boy. They've almost made it.
Okay, let's do it.
You guys.
Pull. Come on, pull.
You're not working as a team very well. Alright, you ready? Oh, let me get it on the barbed wire. This is really hard to do with you. Alright, here we go. Hang on, throw it over at gate.
Sure, I left it open just in case.
I'm not going to. Right. What are you doing? You get my boobies? Daddy don't have boobies, it's got pecs. No, no boobies, we got pecs. We're boys. My kids ought to feel pretty bad. Mama just walks away with it. Look at that one go. This boy here scares me sometimes.
That one?
Yeah.
What about me?
You're old enough that you could climb a gate. This one walks right up to horses and smacks them, and everything else. Got to watch him every second of the day. And this is what my daughter typically does while we work.
I love it.
She's the professional gate leaner. Holds the gate in place, don't you?
All buckets of 6.
What do you want? I ain't got no more apples. I gave you all the
I
apples.
did say that in the last video.
You don't have no more apples. I don't want no more to do with you. I'm going to the hay. No, you like living in the country?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I get away before. I don't know a lot of stuff because there's a lot.
Well, tell me some of them.
Riding side by side, making friends.
You mean like at the horse shows and the rodeos and stuff?
Well, if they come here, like making stuff.
Like making what?
Going around this field. Walk around hiking. Okay, I like to feed the horse because I get to spend time
With the horses?
Beside the horses and pet them and love on them, but I don't like holding heavy stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That actually hurts my arm. That actually hurts my arm. I like building fence because it has hard work and it hurts my arm, and also it's very long. And I like to get out and play. I like to walk through the woods, but I don't like to work in the woods.
We haven't done a whole lot of videos lately, and it's been hard, but geez, we've had so much rain. Like every time we turn around, it's been raining. You know. Say hi. But we're glad to be able to get out today. It's looking nice. I know all the sickness going around, and you know some people are affected by it more than others, but you know, feel sorry for everybody that's going through this right now. But we're trying to hunker down a little bit and take care of ourselves, take care of our family and our farm and stuff, and Thank goodness we had a good day today. It was a really blessed day. Beautiful day. Spring's coming. We're really excited about making some more videos because, I mean, when it's this time of the year, this is what we've been looking forward to, you know. There's so much more you can do when it's nice out. You know, go for some side-by-side rides, go for some horse rides. Just time of the year just always gives you so much hope because everything's coming together, you know. It's like it's coming, and I don't know, there's just something about spring that always gets to me. I love it. Just other than the seasonal allergies, oh my gosh, but there's hope in spring.